Hey everyone! This is Sweat Life, and today we're diving into 5 isometric core holds that will fire up your abs, build strength, and seriously improve your stability. These moves look simple, but once you try them, you'll know exactly why they're so powerful. No crunches. No equipment. Just pure core control. Let's go. 1. Forearm plank hold target, full core, shoulders, glutes. This is the foundation. Start on your forearms, elbows under shoulders. Extend your legs back into a straight line. Tighten your abs, squeeze your glutes, and don't let your hips sag or pike. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Why it's powerful? The forearm plank hits your entire core at once, front, sides and back. It's one of the best moves for overall strength and posture. Start here, master it, and everything else gets better. 2. Hollow body hold target, deep core, especially lower abs lie on your back. Press your lower back into the floor, lift your shoulders and legs off the ground, and extend your arms overhead. Your body should look like a shallow bowl. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds. Why it's a game changer? This hold crushes your lower abs and challenges your deep core like nothing else. It's used by gymnasts for a reason. It builds serious midline control and insane strength. 3. Side plank hold, each side target, obliques, shoulders, glutes lie on your side, prop yourself up on one forearm, and lift your hips off the floor. Keep your body in a straight line, head to heels. Stack your feet or stagger for more support. Hold 30 seconds per side. Why you need it? This is your go-to for a stronger waist and killer obliques. Plus, it works your stabilizers, improves posture, and builds balance through your whole side body. 4. Boat pose hold, aka Navasana target, entire core, hip flexors, balance it on the floor, lift your legs into a V position, and reach your arms forward. You can bend your knees to modify or extend for more challenge. Keep your chest lifted. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Why it's effective? This hold challenges your core from the front, adds an element of balance, and builds real-world strength. Great for endurance and also gives those abs a crazy burn. 5. Dead bug hold target, core stability, coordination, lower back lie on your back. Raise arms straight above your chest and lift knees to 90 degrees. Now hold. Engage your core so your lower back stays flat on the floor. Hold for 30 seconds or do slow reps if you're advanced. Why this one matters? It looks easy, but dead bug forces your core to stabilize while resisting movement. It's perfect for beginners and athletes, and it builds that anti-rotation strength your abs are made for. Quick bonus tip: try doing all 5 back-to-back for a killer core circuit. Rest 30 seconds between holds, and repeat the full round 2 to 3 times for an intense 10 to 15 minute workout. Closing, voiceover style, and that's it. 5 isometric holds that will seriously level up your core strength. These moves may be still, but they're anything but easy. The burn? Real? The benefits? Even better. So next time you work your core, skip the crunches and go for control. Your abs, and your spine, will thank you. If you try these, let me know which one torched your core the most down in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that bell for more Sweat Life workouts every week. You show up, I'll bring the burn.